Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry cheesecake cake. Wow, that's hard to say. For this recipe, you're going to need one yellow cake mix, and you're just going to make it according to the package instructions. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of water, half cup of oil, and 3 eggs. Beat that for 2 minutes and make sure to scrape down your bowl. As much as I love homemade cakes and other cakes, I still love a good box cake. I don't know what it is, all the different flavors, they're all so good. I'm going to pour this in a 13 by 9-inch baking dish that I greased with cooking spray. Make sure to scrape off your spatula, you don't want to waste anything. Put that in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Make sure to test it with your toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. You're going to let this sit on your counter and let it cool completely. When it's nice and cool, then you're going to work on your cheesecake pudding mix. For that, you're going to need 2 cups of whole milk. Make sure your milk is nice and cold. Then you're going to add your pudding mix to that and you're going to whisk that for 2 minutes. Again, I'm just following the package instructions. And then when you're done with that, you're going to let it set for 5 minutes. So this is where the cheesecake part comes in for this cake. Okay, now I'm going to take this cheesecake pudding and put it all over the cake. This recipe is very easy, you can't mess this up. If you mess this up, then I don't know what to tell you. I love this so much because when you're eating it, you can tell there's something different about this cake, but you just can't quite put your finger in it. Like you taste that little hint of cheesecake, but you don't know where it is because it doesn't really have any cream cheese, but it's a little secret. Next, I'm going to take 1 container of Cool Whip and spread that all over the cake. And make sure your Cool Whip is thawed. And to do that, you just put it in the bottom of your fridge and let it thaw out overnight. Or you can just leave it out on the counter for a little bit and let it thaw out. I like cakes like this for the summer because it's not too sweet or it's not too heavy. The very last thing I'm going to do is top it with some sliced strawberries. Cover it with plastic wrap, and then you're going to set it in the refrigerator and let it set a few hours before you cut it. I'm going to let mine set overnight just because I was filming this in the evening and I didn't want to cut the cake that late at night, so I waited until the next day. Okay, so this is the next day. I'm going to cut out a slice so you can see. I love this because it's so light and refreshing. The Cool Whip just makes it like a light cake, and then you can taste that subtle hint of the cheesecake pudding in there. You know there's something in there, but you can't quite put your finger on it. It's just so good, so I hope you give it a try. There are so many different things you can do. You can use a different flavor box cake, a different pudding, different fruits on top. You can just make it your own. So I really hope you give this one a try. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.